welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to 2021. Let's hope and pray to God that this year is gonna be a reset for all of us. We've all been through so much. I was watching the news today and I can't even, it feels weird to even filming this, but you know what? All we're seeing these days is the news and all this shit. So I think it's nice just to kind of sit down and talk about something else and just, hang out. The light that comes into my apartment during this time of the year, it's like, mwah. So every woman on planet Earth who needs a change, I'm gonna change my hair. And I have been seeing the curtain bang trends for the past couple of months. And at first I was like, hell no, I'm never cutting my bangs ever again. But you know what? It's 2021. Let's get a refresher. Let's do this. So we're gonna start by brushing the hair. By the way, I decided to grow my hair out, as in I was gonna do 4 to 5 months of no dyeing and almost no heat. I'm pretty much taking all the heat out of the equation. I am gonna be using a little heat today because I do want to style my bangs, because I just really want to get my hair back to its natural healthy state, and I miss it, I miss it. Okay, I watched some tutorials. I think I know what I'm doing. I've cut my hair many times. Got my mirror right here. Let's get this done, ladies. Okay, so we're gonna section this in a triangle. Let's see how long do I want these bad boys. Let's part this in the middle. I'm a little scared. This kind of reminds me of the time that I went to the salon to get bangs and I explained wispy, keyword, just flowing in the wind, cute little bangs. And the guy was he was a sweetheart, by the way. I love the guy. I didn't even have, the courage in me or the balls to tell him how bad it was, but he gave me bangs from here to here that were this thick and crazy. So let's not do that. If you have watched any of my tutorials, any of my cutting tutorials, you know that you should never ever use kitchen scissors. If you're gonna do this, ladies, make sure that you get some actual hair cutting scissors. These are $15, $12, depending on how cheap or how much you wanna go. You can get this on Amazon and you can actually cut really nice straight lines on your hair. It doesn't just fray your hair. Very important. By the way, do you ever just wonder if your hair is actually curly? Because sometimes when I let it dry, it dries into these little wavy things, so it makes me wonder. I've seen those girls on TikTok apply all these products because they never knew that their hair was curly, and then they just come out with curly hair. Should I try that? Let me know. Okay. I'm so scared. Okay, so from what I understand, you want your bangs to be, you want to do the first cut as to where you want the shortest bang to be. And I do want them to go a little bit around my ear, so I'm gonna cut them right about my chin. You know what? I'm so nervous. Let's just do it. Look! Why am I? Oh my god, I made a mess. Not bad. Now we're gonna have to trim them and texturize them however we want. And we have all the control in the world. Remember that. The biggest mistake you don't want to make is to cut them too short beginning here. Starting here, we have all the control. We can do whatever we want. So let's do the part. So I'm going to do a very simple point and cut trim, just to kind of trim out the ends like that. Take out any of those harsh edges, just like that. And with this, you have all the control in the world. You know that you're not gonna trim too much. You just gotta go little by little. So I'll probably end up making them a little bit shorter, starting to here, but I'm just gonna do it slowly, just kind of cascading into it. My hairstylist was actually gonna do this on me, but I was impatient. I wanted to do a video on it. Okay, the front pieces, let's make them a little shorter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab these scissors that kind of look like little teeth, little comb teeth. And this is just to texturize or remove any weight. So I'm just gonna go kind of like this. I'm basically gonna do the exact same thing to this side of the face, and then I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like, not styled. Like, this is how I cut it, like this. See, like the ends are nice and soft. So like if I don't style it, like I'm not gonna like die, you know? So this, in my opinion, is the trick to cutting curtain bangs that are not scary, because look, I can put them behind the ear. They're not crazy. They're just kind of like front, like very frail pieces. But the thing with that is when you style hair, it kind of tends to shrink. And if you want to give it volume here to kind of make a curtain, then you can work with this and it's not annoying to like put away. So this is perfect. What do you guys think in the comments? Is this gonna look cute on me or what? Yes! What? Girl. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. The sun is about to go down on me, but like, see? I'm obsessed. It's so cute. It's like so wispy and pretty. I know everyone's been saying this is your sign to get curtain bangs. But girl, this is your sign. If you like this, you can definitely do this yourself. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Wow, seriously, best decision ever. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. It helps me out a lot, and I know that you are enjoying my content. If you didn't like this video, also give it a dislike. That is fine with me too, so I know that I can do better in the future. And on that note, I love you guys so much. Bye!